Hey guys, Alex here from Hannemann Ironworks, and today I will be making a handle for my door. Now, the handle I have on it currently is non-existent. I've had this shop for a couple of years, and this door is relatively new. Last spring I think I installed it, or somewhere in there, and I still haven't made a handle for the door. So, that's what I'm doing, making a door handle. Just something super simple with a river twist in the middle. So, come along with me as I do that. I'd also like to remind you guys that these tongs are still up for grabs for the 400 subscriber giveaway. If I have not hit it yet, this is why this clip is edited second. So yeah, if you haven't already entered, go check it out. Link will be in the description down below. I put my touch mark in the middle. That way I know exactly where the middle is, so I can get that river twist just right. Also, it's going on my door, so I'm putting it right in the middle. Alrighty guys, so here it is. I got a nice solid river twist in the middle with my touch mark on it. I think she came out pretty good. Now obviously you can see the discrepancy in kind of the length over here versus the length over here. But that doesn't bother me. This isn't going to a customer, it's going to me. And I actually learned a lot. It's more like bending this in the vise is a lot more like using a brake to bend sheet metal than I thought it would be. I've never bent this 1/2 inch stock and tried to get like, you know, kind of a corner like that. So it taught me an important lesson, and I'm gonna keep that for the future. Kind of undershoot it because you have to have space for such a thick material to bend. Now with like 1/4 inch, it bends right there. It's actually pretty close. And so I learned a pretty valuable lesson making this, and I made a great handle for the shop. So I'm going to install that and show you guys a picture. Thank you guys for stopping in. Catch you on the next one, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks guys. Bye.